Hello my friends out there in YouTube land. What is going on today? The Motovlogging Community. Gonna give you my feelings on it after the intro. So the Motovlogging Community, it's a great community to be a part of. So let's go back a little bit to the start of my channel. So I started my channel in 2018, so 4 years ago, and I really didn't have any idea what I was doing, even though I'm not too sure what I'm doing now. But anyway, so I start my channel, and for the first 2 years or so, it's actually a little over 2 years, I had no traction whatsoever. And until I found the Motovlogging Community, who would have thought that something out there so simple as that would increase my channel or make my channel better 20 or 30 fold. So for the first, like I said, a little over 2 years, I had at best I think like 33 subscribers. So, and I owe this all to the Geared Raven. When she was on the 530 Bikers, she threw out a hashtag, support MVC, support the Motovlogging Community. And right there, that changed everything for me. I started using that hashtag, and I started to pick up a little bit. I started to gain traction. I started to actually care about my channel, because at that point I wasn't putting out content on a regular basis. But through the love and support of the Motovlogging Community, I started caring more about my channel. So I started, like I said, increasing subscribers, views, and all that stuff. So then I started communicating more, commenting on other people's videos. More people were commenting on my videos, and I started a rapport with a lot of people on YouTube, which is awesome. If it wasn't for the Motovlogging Community, there are a lot of people I would never have met, whether it be in person or over YouTube, over Instagram, over any of that stuff. So to me, the Motovlogging Community is a community that supports each other, that we go out of our way for each other. You know, I've seen people send guys laptops that have, you know, their laptop crashed, broke, or whatever, and they couldn't edit their videos, create content, and some people had some old laptops laying around, and, you know, wound up sending one out so this guy could keep his channel going. Like, that is like awesome. That is just so fucking cool. So, and damn, dude, taking that curve a little fast. And just like any community or I don't want to say family, but any community or any group of people, there are going to be people that you don't like or don't like you. You know, I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that don't like my channel, think my channel is shit, whatever. Go eat a bag of dicks. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. So, but yeah, so we're not going to get along with everybody. That's understandable. But the way the motovlogging community can rally around somebody and pick them up, and you know, with some guys getting in accidents, some guys dying from accidents, you know, the motovlogging community rallied around, started GoFundMe pages or getting the word out for GoFundMe pages to help these people out in their time of need. And that's like the best part about it, you know. Everybody's there to help each other. I don't belong to Facebook, but I know there's a Facebook group for the motovlogging community. So it's unreal. People like spend their hard-earned money to create swag for their channel just to give out to people. You know, I do it, everybody does it. We swap stickers, we send shit to people without anything expected in return. And it's such a giving community, and I gotta say, I'm proud to be a part of it. Now, there are a few people that want to charge for their stickers, you know, but you know, the majority of us, dude, we'll send them out to people who don't even have YouTube channels, who are never going to get anything in return. It's all good, man. We're spreading the love, buddy. You gotta spread the love, right? So that is my feeling on the motovlog community. It has been a great journey for me for these last almost 2 years of my YouTube career. It has been an awesome journey. The people I've met along the way have been, for the most part, there are some dicks out there, and you know who the fuck you are. But it has been nothing but like awesome, fulfilling, and you know, fuck, you know, I'm getting all fucking sappy over here, but whatever. Say what you will. You know, because of the motovlogging community, I got a new pair of gloves. I want to give away on Barricades Rides YouTube channel, and I got me a new pair of Moto gloves. So because of that, you know, it's an awesome thing. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, but you know, it's just something that I appreciate each and every one of you out there. Whether you're part of the motovlogging community or not, I appreciate all my subscribers. So with that is where I'm going to end the video. My friends, seriously, y'all stay safe out there. There's too many fucking crazy people out in this world. Please stay safe. Love one another like we do in the motovlog community. So again, stay safe, love one another. Peace.